me to this wedding party, huh?
That looks so beautiful today, right?
Yes. Listen, everyone. Whoever gets this golden apple will be the fairest of them all.
Apple is mine. No, this is mine. Because of all of you all, I am the most fairest.
No, it's us too.
Zeus, who do you think deserves this apple? Is it me or your children? Who is the most fairest among them all? Choose between us.
Go to Mount Ida, find Paris, and let him decide who is the fairest among you all.
Paris, who do you think deserves this golden apple more? Is it me? And who do you think is the most fairest among all the three of us? I don't know. If you choose me, I will give you the fame and wealth, and I will let you reign over Italy.
No, I will make you the commander of Greeks. No, if you choose me, I will give you the most beautiful woman in the world. Now, choose.
Then I will choose you. Go away.
I will give you the most beautiful woman in the world that you dreamed of.
Don't do so. You will regret this.